Bonjour buddies, welcome back to another video. This is problem number 25 of the 2014 AMC8. A straight 1 mile stretch of highway 40 feet wide is closed. Robert rides his bike on a path composed of semicircles as shown. If he rides at 5 miles per hour, how many hours will it take to cover the 1 mile stretch? Alrighty, so as you guys can see already, there are semicircles on this 1 mile stretch. Also, as you guys might also see, if we split these semicircles, we can find out how many semicircles we obviously have to find the circumference because this is the path he's riding on. Do you see this? So we obviously need to find the circumference of the semicircle, and I accidentally erased that line. Oopsie daisy. So we need to find the circumference of said semicircles, find out how many semicircles there are, and then divide by how fast he is riding to find the time. Distance divided by time. Yay! Alrighty, so we can solve for this here. If the semicircle is the entire thing, its diameter is 40 feet wide because of that, and then also like that, this means that its radius is 20, which means that we can use this to solve. With 2 pi r, which means that since this is a semicircle, it's just pi r, we have 20 pi as the circumference of one semicircle. However, now we just need to find how many semicircles is on this entire stretch. Since the diameter is 40 feet wide this way, we just need to find how many 40 feet is in that mile. And as the note helpfully tells us, 1 mile is equivalent to 5,280 feet. So we just need to use 5,280 to divide by 40. But the 0 can just be divided out by itself already. So this is a 1, a 4, 1, 2, 3, 2. 132 such semicircles. However, if we actually solve for this again, we'll see that if we have 132 multiplied by 20 pi, if I just write out the entire equation, over we actually have to convert the 5 miles per hour as well, since, like I said, we are doing this in feet. So we have 5280 multiplied by 5. However, something that makes your job a lot easier when you solve this is you'll find that when we multiply the top part, if I just do this real quick, 5280 multiplied by 5. If you guys haven't noticed, 2640 is exactly half of 5280, which means that, whoop-de-doo, we can simplify, so you don't actually have to do any real division. Which means that it's basically pi over 2 times 5, which is basically equivalent to pi over 10. Which is also equivalent to our final answer, which is b pi over 10. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye bye!